Hello everyone, very good morning. Hope you are all doing well. Today, me and my team are here to present a toolkit called NLTK for Natural Language Processing. We are a group of three members named Manikanta Reddy Kavalagundla, Satish Reddy Shinivarapu, Likta Mannem. So, coming to the first slide, so overview. Uh, Here in this presentation, we are going to cover the topics like intro to NLTK and why we choose this topic, installation and setup of importing NLTKs, case studies we took on advantages of NLTK and also the limitations and challenges. And coming to the next slide, introduction to NLTK. NLTK stands for Natural Language Toolkit, and it is a popular toolkit uh, that stands for Natural Language Processing Toolkit. NLTK is widely used Python library designed for handling human language data. It offers a range of tools and resources for different language processing tasks like tokenization, stemming, parsing, stemming reasoning, and more. NLTK is popular among researchers, educators, and developers for analyzing and manipulating text data, enabling tasks such as text classification, sentiment analysis, and language modeling. Coming to the next slide. Here I would like to tell few key aspects of NLTK. Robust toolkit. First one is NLTK offers an extensive collection of tools and resources tailored for various natural language processing tasks, indicating its effectiveness in handling language-related challenges. Research and education. NLTK is heavily utilized in academic settings for both teaching and research purposes, indicating its credibility and relevance in field of linguistics and computational linguistics. Come to the next one, versatility. NLTK demonstrates flexibility by supporting a broad spectrum of NLP tasks, ranging from fundamental tasks like text classifications to more complex ones such as sentiment analysis. This versatility makes it suitable for diverse applications within the NLP domain. Come to the last one, community. Benefits from an active and supportive community. NLTK benefits from an engaged and supportive community which fosters collaboration, knowledge sharing, and ongoing development of the toolkit. This active community contributes to its growth and continuous improvement. Coming to the fifth slide, why we chose this topic, NLTK. Interests and relevances. NLTK is widely used NLP library both in academia and industry, making it an attractive topic due to its relevance and broad adoption. And comprehensive toolkit, NLTK provides a broad range of tools and resources for various NLP tasks, making it an ideal starting point for anyone interested in NLP, from beginners to the professional level. And coming to the next one, educational value. NLTK's user-friendly interface and extensive documentation making it a valuable resource for learning the basics of NLP. It is well suited for educational purposes, facilitating understanding and skill development. And coming to the last one, practical applicability. NLTK's practical use in real-world NLP projects such as researchers, text analysis, chartboards, and sentiment analysis demonstrates its effectiveness and applicability in solving real-world problems. This makes it a compelling topic for exploring NLP application. Come to the next slide. Installation and setup. Coming to this slide, ensure NLTK is installed before proceeding with the projects in a Jupyter notebook. It's essential to have NLTK installed. This can be done using the Python package manager PIP. Coming to the next slide. From here onwards, my colleague Satish will continue to explain further.
So yeah, when it comes to the importance of NLTK data resources, it provides a wide range of linguistic data where you can do certain tasks like testing, benchmarking, and research on the data resources, and we can even develop some models related to the toolkit, and as well you can do some linguistic analysis and get some statistics out of it, and also we can do some applications and we can develop as as good as with a toolkit, and then we can develop a good community from where there will be lots of researchers and developers who contributes a lot for the development of the applications. And uh, when we are using NLTK data, the way we can download all the resources is giving the code something like nltk.download all, which will download all the data resources which we need to program or develop any application. Can you please go to the next slide? So, tokenization in NLP is one key point where we'll learn a lot about the tokenization. There are many types of tokenizations. Something like word tokenization, sentence tokenization, subword tokenization, and normalizing the tokens. And there are many libraries in the tokenizations. So when it comes to word tokenization, we'll give a sentence as an input where it divides all the words in a sentence into tokens, which are subparts of the total sentence. And when we do the sentence tokenization, it will divide all the letters of the sentence, and it will even divide the words in a sentence or letters in a word. So the subword tokenization is about in languages with complex morphology or in cases where word boundaries aren't clearly defined. Subword tokenizations techniques like byte pairing encoding or would-bes are used. Can you please go to the next slide? So here is one example where we use sentence like a sentence as a main input, and what is a token here. So when we give an input like NLTK is a powerful library for natural language processing, it will divide all the words separately and provide as an output where every word is like a token here. And there are many different types of tokenizations. Can you please go to the next slide? So even there is something called parts of speech tagging in NLTK data. So when we give a sentence, it will even uh, indicate which word is which part of speech. So when we see this sentence, she sings beautifully. Here we can see that she is a pronoun, sings is a verb, and beautiful is an adverb. So even if we give a longer sentence, we'll have to give input according to that. So it will give the output accordingly. Can you please go to the next slide? So when it comes to the importance of POS tagging, the way we give input matters because we have to give it perfectly. It has many tasks like summarization, sentiment analysis, and named entity recognition. So we can even customize the output which we would like to have by giving proper indications with the inputs. So from here on, my friend Likita will be continuing.
Hello everyone. Here I want to discuss about the sentiment analysis. The sentiment analysis is also known as opinion mining, and it is a natural language processing technique, which is it is used to determine the sentiment or emotion expressed in a piece of text. It involves analyzing the text document such as review, tweet, or article to identify whether the sentiment expressed with it is positive, negative, or neutral. Here, the main goal of sentiment analysis is to understand the opinions, attitudes, and emotions conveyed in the text data. It can be used in various applications like social media monitoring, market research, customer service, brand monitoring. And also, Natural Language Toolkit Sentiment Intensity Analyzer, which it is a pre-built sentiment analysis tool. And it assigns a sentiment polarity score from ranging from -1 to 1 with 0 being neutral. And here is the example which it is used to create sentiment intensity analyzer, and here we print the interpret the sentiment score, and also at final we display the sentiment and sentiment scores. Here we import a package NLTK, which is natural language toolkit from NLTK.sentiment.wader. Here we are using the sentiment intensity analyzer method, and also we use variable text to display the I love this product, it's fantastic. So finally, it displays and it prints the print sentiment and sentiment scores. It is a valuable tool for understanding public opinions and also emotional reactions in text data. And next, here we are writing a code Python which illustrates how NLTK can be applied to perform text pre-processing, post-tagging, and sentiment analysis on the set of social media posts or tweets. Here we are using an example social media posts or tweets. Here we are importing a package NLTK from nltk.sentiment.wader. And finally, it displays the posts which is excited about the new product launch, and the tags which is DT new product launch, team launch 2023. And also here it discusses about the which the product is new product is amazing, but the price is too high. And also it displays the positive to negative range, which is -1 to 1, and the with being neutral 0. And the results includes the POS tag sentiment classifications for each post. The advantages of NLTK is like Swiss Army knife for language data, and also it can handle the text related tasks, and also it is easy to learn for beginners, and also in this we can learn NLP concepts with resources and community support. It is easy to use and also free of cost. And also here NLTK comes with tons of data and tools, making it a valuable asset for NLP research and projects. It is a real-time application, and it's not just for textbooks, and also it can be used in like healthcare, finance, and customer services. Overall, NLTK is trusty sidekick in the world of natural processing, whether you are student, researcher, or industry professional. So finally, there are some limitations and challenges of natural language toolkit, which it is there are some components here which is not up to date with the latest NLP advantages, and also it will be a complex for newcomers, especially which whose don't have a strong programming background. And also it might not be the fastest tool, and we have to raise some defects while dealing with the large data sets. And also here some features require extended data downloads, which requires more storage space. NLTK deep learning capabilities are limited compared to newer libraries like transformers. Here, real-time process challenges are not best choice for real-time or productive level NLP application. So the conclusion is, while natural language toolkit is a powerful tool for basic NLP tasks, more advanced sentiment analysis tasks may require more sophisticated techniques and libraries. And also here it provides sentiment intensity scores for positive, negative, and neutral sentiment, as well as overall compound score. Thank you so much.
Thank you all
Thank you.
for your time.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching this presentation. Have a good day.